So this is the next day. The tractor is actually about to roll out. Truck driver should be here in the next hour or so. Went ahead and washed off some of the mud. When we took the duals off, you can never get that clean with the duals on, so went ahead and cleaned that up a little bit. When we pull it out, we will spray all the studs down with WD-40 or something, or fluid film or PB Blast, something to keep those from corroding if it gets in salt. Unfortunately for the new owners, they've got the truck scheduled for the day, and well, we had a little snowstorm, so I'm sure all the roads are salty. I know I personally hate getting equipment delivered in the salt, but sometimes it can't be helped. So looking over this tractor and that replacement tractor, they're very similar. I mean, obviously the tire package is a little different. I really like this particular tire package. These skinny fronts don't bother me a bit. Never really had any issues with them. Don't notice any more or less compaction with them. I like them. I like the height of them. But I was looking over the weight frame, like the weight box style, and like this piece here is a little different, I noticed, than on this one. See, that's altogether different looking. So much so I had to get in here to see, but I'm pretty sure it does not have a front hydraulic lifting 3-point. Just a little bit different design now, I guess. Other than that, these tractors are basically the same outside. I mean, the cab and controls are different. This is a different generation control system inside. The backs of the machines are the same. I think everything else is pretty much the same. Just that one's yellow. So the truck driver that's delivering this truck to Nebraska just got here, so we're gonna drop a couple things in the cab of this, and the new owners actually requested that we sign the inside of it. So I guess we're gonna do that. Do what? Bali.
Huh?
B-A-L-I.
Okay, what?
Does it say Bob? Be the last time we start this old girl. So while we've been waiting on this truck, I've been trying to change batteries in my black truck, and well, it's deader than a rock, and it's outside, and it's windy and 28 degrees. Great time to do it. If you've never changed the battery in a late model Duramax, let me tell you, it's not fun. Anywho, let's pull the tractor on the low boy. So we got a local guy from right down the road hauling it. He's a farmer / equipment hauler, and passed along his phone number, and worked out pretty good. Feels like I'm set and crooked.
Get 3-point up.
Let's see if BJ don't throw this tire through Josh's Peterbilt. He almost looked like he knew what he was doing. Yep, I think she's ready to roll. Got a nice little 12-hour commute, and she'll be at her new place. All right, proceed. Hi, bub. Yep, a little bashful about being a foot model, huh?
Why?
We gotta show the boots because today's video is sponsored by Brunt Workwear, folks. So we are now, what, a little over a month in these boots, right at a month. Either way, I've been wearing mine every day that I've worn boots since we got them out of the box.
Same.
Well, what's your thoughts?
Very comfortable.
I've been honestly extremely surprised.
Yeah.
I know BJ has extremely picky feet, and he has one pair of boots he really likes, and so far he's stuck with these.
Yeah.
So there was like a couple week break, or about a week break
10
in.
days. 10 days.
Just had to leave them real loose, but
Yeah.
ever since then, they've been holding up pretty well.
Pick it up while you sweep it.
Well, we had to do that for the video. Like it
get
was
the
already,
dustpan.
it was already in a pile. So, Dad, how are your boots? He's also got pretty picky feet.
Good. Feel good. Probably about as good as I've had since the old
Since
John Deere boots.
Okay.
That's been 20 years ago.
So your mileage may vary, but when I wear a pair of boots that I don't like, my ankles hurt, my knees hurt, my back hurts. So far, all three of those things have been good.
Yeah, I can say the same. So far, it's like right now it's raining. Dad pressure washed a combine the other day. I was out in the rain, went deer hunting a few times in them.
I've had mine soaked 2 or 3 times.
So far, still waterproof, still comfortable, no cracks in the leather. Soles seem to be holding up pretty good. All in all, 10 out of 10 would recommend. If you would like to try a pair of Brunts, use code BFV10 to get $10 off your first order of $60 or more. There'll be a link in the description. So yeah, check that out. Like I say, I've got the American welted. BJ just has the welted. And then I don't remember which brand or which model Dad has, but
Slip-ons.
yeah, he has the slip-on boots. He still ain't figured out how to tie his shoes. At this point, he's old. We're not going to tackle that one right now. Now we're going to get back to pretending to clean the shop. For these first couple loads, we will be hauling out of the center of a bin. So we will be parking in the drive-thru and loading here. Now, after we get this first bin cored, we will be transferring the other bins into that bin and pulling out the side draw. So we'll be loading outside. It's a little bit quicker, not as much dust. Just an all-around better way to go about it. Right now I'm getting my drive-thru camera connected. Bada bing, bada boom. Get all of our systems up and running. I think we've got the center sump closed on this bin. Go out here and open it up. Sounds empty. And we're full. I've got the trailer without the automatic tarp. So it's kind of cold this morning, but it's supposed to warm up to 50. Driveways are just all going to crap. It's been hovering in that 50, 55, low of 40. And raining a lot. We've got a lot of rain in the last couple of days, which we still need. Grateful for the rain. It's just a muddy mess around here. I wish it'd freeze. Very, very, very sloppy. Very sloppy. Apparently the corn's piled up a little bit. I can't get the tarp to roll. So we'll tarp it at the end of the driveway. A little dusty. Now, in case you were wondering, why don't you use the other trailer with an automatic tarp and doors, the one's hooked to that red Kenworth? Got some kind of nagging issue with the fan in that truck. Sometimes it doesn't kick on, the truck gets a little toasty, and we don't want to overheat it, so we need to have someone take a look at that, because we've attempted to fix it and it hasn't worked out so well. So we kind of put a harvest fix on it. Well, harvest is over, we need to actually fix it. But when we had to hook that trailer to take it to a shop to have it fixed, I'll probably throw that trailer on this truck, and then I'll have an automatic tarp again. And there's a couple trucks here. Picked up a rider. You don't really look like the last lizard that was in there. It's your time to shine.
Okay, so do I need to push that stuff in?
I'm gonna make sure, just stay right there for now. We'll make sure the truck's lined up, then I'll help you. So we pulled 6 or 7 loads out of the center of this bin. So we're gonna start pulling out the side draw now. Since that side draw, the chain's way up there, and we don't have a remote for it or anything like that, I'm gonna have Kayla just sit here and let up on the brake. All right, flop over here.
Flop, am I like a seal?
Hop. Are you a rabbit now?
Bunny? I think I like to be a bunny more than a seal.
Okay. So,
Break it?
yeah, I'll tell you when, but when I tell you when, push those 2 in, and you're gonna put that in low. You gotta grab it here. Capiche?
Sure.
I mean,
How far up am I moving?
I'll just tell you when to stop. Like, all you gotta do is let off the brake.
Playing.
Tell you when to pull up. Don't release the brake yet or not, or anything. You got a little while. Perfect. You did it. You did it. Look at you go. Look at you go. Look at you.
I did it.
We'll call you Betty Big Rigger.
I don't like that.
No. So BJ started coring bin number 1. Not going real quick. Apparently we've got a little bit of a blockage, so that's wonderful. That is our wet bin, but we never harvested wet corn, so all that corn was dry. It's just not working real good right now. Looks like Dad's got the draper head cleaned up. He's taking advantage of this 50-degree day. He's got the combine washed, and now the draper head. Looks like his Ranger's pulling that head around with ease. Well, that's it for today. We ended up with 9 loads, so should possibly finish tomorrow. So we'll see. Everybody, thanks for watching this video. And also, thanks to everyone who shared our post about our tractor for sale. I never dreamed that I'd be able to sell a tractor on social media, but we did. And worked out for all parties involved. So also, happy holidays to everybody. And if you would do me a favor, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying the channel. And drop us a comment. And we'll hopefully see you in the next video.